guys, welcome back to my channel. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. God bless you in Jesus' name. Alright, so today I want to show you a very nice 736 251 chords in the key of F sharp, right? Okay, so I'm going to show that with a song. So that is song I'll study for the water. So my soul, look at that. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to play that right quick. So 736 is just the number system. That's like a chord progression. That's like 7 6 2 5 1 4 5 1. That's like the progression of most songs, many songs. I'm not saying all songs, I said many songs. So let me so I'm going to show you the chord progression now, right? So but before I show you that, I have a new intermediate piano course that I just released, over 2 hours video of a lecture, full lecture. Easy to understand, 9 different types of 7th chords and how to use them, chords like this, all right. So a lot of chords, diminished 7, major 7 chords like this, right? A lot of chords like this. Right, so a lot of them, and it just goes for a discount price of $35 for people in Nigeria and $10 for people overseas. And let me give you this information: this price is going up very soon. That's the discount price. I've been selling it for over 2 weeks now for the first 50 people, but we are in the grace period now, so the price is going up. So if you don't get your own now, I mean, you will have to get it at that higher price, and that will just be fine, because the tutorial is still, the material is still more than that. If you want to get your own, check the comment section for more details on how to get to me on WhatsApp to buy your own today. God bless you. Okay, so today's tutorial, so like I said 7 3 6 2 5 1 4. So the first chord I used was a diminished 7 chord. I used that on 7. So but on my left I played like the left, your 7, so you play the in the key of F sharp. Our 7 is F, so we'll play dominant 7 of the F. That's 1 5 and flattened 7th of a key F, right? But we're in the key of F sharp, don't forget. So just play your, let me just call the numbers so you can use this in your key. So this is 7, this is flat 5, this is 6, right? So then you play your minor third, just play the diminished 7th of the minor third. So your minor third here is A, right? So you play the dominant 7. If you don't know this dominant 7, you need to get my intermediate course. You'll be learning that inside and more. Alright, so that's for the 7 chord. So the same thing will happen for our 3 chord. You just go up to your 2, and then you play your dominant 7 on your 2 also. Sorry, diminished 7th here also. Now, if you don't understand this, you need to get my intermediate course, where I taught all this and displayed them, different skills, different stuffs, for over 2 hours. All right, God bless you. So 7, then our 3 is on the key of E flat, in the key of F sharp. That's a B flat. So you play your 2 diminished 7 chord. So this is actually dominant. That's a spiritual chord, like I call it. Then for my 6 I did, so let me call the numbers, 6 3 7 on your left, 6 3 7 on your left. On your right you have a 1 3 5 7, right? Then you take it down. Woo. So then you take it down to play flat 6 and your 3 on your left. Then on your right you have a 7 3 7 3, and then your flat 5, and then your 7. So if you look at this chord, we have a flat 6 in this chord, we have a flat 5 in this chord. That's why it sounds so beautiful. So we are doing a 6 2 2, right? So 2 is the bass line. then to 5 now. So you are doing a parallel 5. That's on the left you have a 5, 2, 5. On the right we have a flattened 7th, 9, 11, flattened 7th. So then on one I play, I played this, okay. So on one I played for the left hand I have a 1, 5 and flattened 7th. On the right hand we have a diminished 7th, an E diminished major 7 chord, E diminished major 7 chord. How did I write that there? You learn that in my intermediate course. So look at it. Then to your 4. Right? If you don't understand this, then you need to watch it over and over. I notice these days some people are lazy. They just want everything to be very, very slow. I mean, we're going to spend about 1 hour. You're not paying for this. Yeah. So you need to watch this over. This is and write. I notice people don't write also. That's why they say that. Pause, write, and learn after. All right. God bless you. So and then to 4. So we have a house the burden for the water, so my soul get out. So don't forget to get my intermediate course. Like I said, the discount price is expiring very, very soon. Very, very soon. By next week, we are taking it higher. Yeah, to the original price. All right, God bless you. Subscribe. Bye.